Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to Kerman, a city where time seems to stand still despite its quiet charm. It is a place where no modern excitement can be found. Although there are many historical attractions in this city, if you are interested in history, a trip to this city will be attractive to you. But if you are looking for a different excitement, this city is not a good choice for you. Today, I want to take you to a nail salon. This salon is located in a luxury mall in Kerman City. After that, I will show you the mall, and then you will see some of Kerman's streets. Come with me to see and hear very interesting things about this city. Many years ago, when I was a child, my father made the decision to immigrate from Tehran to Kerman just for a short time. I remember that I was very young at that time, and many people migrated to Kerman from other cities. You may wonder why many people, especially my father, decide to immigrate to this city, even though there is no special entertainment and life is monotonous in this small, unexciting town. But the only reason is one thing, and that is money. They believe that good money can be made in the city, and most of them are right. There is a term among these people. This city has a power that once you enter, you cannot leave. And this is true because 95% of those who came did not return to their own city. The people of this city are very kind, and they are always one of the best in welcoming guests. But even they themselves agree that the city could have been a happier city with more progress. If you are interested in traveling to Iran, don't miss my video. Thanks for watching.